Hello, everyone, and today is Friday. We're excited to have you back. So today I want to kind of share with you what you're going to do for today. So I'm going to share my screen with you. So we've been covering chapter 3 this week. And on page, let's see what page we're on. Okay, we're on page 63. So on 63, you see this artwork of Lucas Samaras, and this is his self-portrait. Now notice the self-portrait and what's going on in this image. Notice his eyebrows are really raised. He's looking directly at us. So I want you to answer these questions. Describe what you see. What do you see when you look at this object? Is there a clue collecting step? This is a clue collecting step. If you're not sure, don't guess. So you have to look at the information in the credit line that will help you to know what's going on. So we know for a fact, well, if we write this down and you answer these questions, what do you see? We see that this is a self-portrait because it's listed as a self-portrait in the credit line. So they want us to study this image and carefully and say everything that we see. We see there's two solid reflections there. We see that. And they're solid, and we see that him looking right back at us. So that's what they want us to see for this particular thing. So it says there are four objects in room not listed in the credit line. These are solid, two are reflections. So no, we see with this particular work that this work is a self-portrait, and we're looking right at the viewer. Okay. All right. Then we want to ask us, how's this work organized? What shapes do we see? Okay. What do we see? What shapes? What's noticed in this work? Okay. And they're talking about this particular piece right here, art criticism, this mirror reflection piece they're talking about here. But we can also analyze this piece that you see right here, who meet the artist here. But this is the piece that you're going to describe, analyze, interpret, and judge, which is this word right here, figure 322. Okay, so we see mirrors and all of those things. Okay. It says, what's the message of this work? So those are some questions you answer. And what do you think of this work? Is this work of art successful? So those are some things to think about. So let's look here. And it talks about he actually is the artist that made that particular piece that we're looking at and analyzing right here. So that shows you an example of the artist. But this is the piece that we're going to analyze right here. Okay. And this is all going to be done on page 63, but this is the artist, okay? So you're analyzing figure 322, okay? And answering those questions 1, 2, 3, and 4 on page 63. Okay, I turned this in today for a grade. Does anybody have any questions? Let me know. I was a little confused. I thought it was the artist that you were going to be the artist of portrait, but no, you're actually analyzing his work, which is the mirrors. Okay. All right, looking forward to seeing this work. And we'll get started next week on another project. Okay. All right, thanks.